Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. I have not posted in that long. It felt crazy because it's been like months. Like it's crazy, but I'm gonna post a vlog today. I'm gonna do a me and my friend, I'm gonna meet her. We're gonna go to Skyzone and have some fun. I'm gonna try to start posting again, but I was just doing so much other things with myself, guys. I did not keep up, but I'm gonna post a vlog. We gonna have fun today, okay? If you're still gonna be watching my videos, hey girl. If you're not, bye. Okay, stay tuned. I'm about to get dressed, fix my hair, and we'll be out. Okay, it's all done. This is the outfit of the day. Some Vans, my sweatpants, this top, and this bag. And I'm about to put my jacket on because it's cold out here, okay? Guys, I didn't make it to Skyzone yet, but I'm really in.
Hello.
Where are we? We are someplace having my fun playing games.
In New
She's
Rochelle.
out there playing games. I'm about to play next, y'all. I don't know where we at.
Is it working? I don't think he was doing anything because it says 55 credit.
I don't understand this game.
Me neither. I think he was just jumping.
We waiting, actually we waiting so we could go to Skyzone. It's not loud in here, like it's not little kids. Alright y'all, I did not even get to go to Skyzone. I was so pissed. I'm gonna have to let y'all know what happened. So I'm gonna have to like make another video. Alright y'all, so I'm in the middle of fixing my hair, but remember I was gonna tell y'all what happened with Skyzone, why we didn't end up going, why I didn't end up doing the vlog. So let me tell y'all, girl, I was so mad. So my friend comes to pick me up. We got to Skyzone at like 4 something, whatever. We go up the stairs. It's in this big place. It was packed. When I say packed, girl, first of all, I forgot it was Saturday. Kids was off school, parents was off work, so it was just packed with mad kids. It was just a nightmare. So as we headed towards the line, and everyone looked like they was in mad groups. So as we headed to the line, we hear them saying an announcement like, hey, the next jump session is not until 5:15. I never been to Skyzone before, so I didn't even know there was like a jump session. Like, I didn't know how it went. So we was like, you know what, since we gotta wait like a whole hour and a half or whatever, let's go downstairs to the arcade to play games up until the time. So we went downstairs, cool, we went to play games, bought like $20 arcade games, having fun, whatever, as you guys saw. Girl, we watching the time, and we like, you know what, it's about to be a good time to go upstairs. Let's go cash our game card so we could get our tokens for, get a prize for, you know, they be having those little things you could get at the end of the arcade day, whatever. You give them like how much tokens you want and you get like a gift or whatever the case is, whatever. I need to be doing my hair in the meantime. I'm over here just chatting. So what was I up to now? Okay, so we go back upstairs. The line is long once again. So the line is spinning. And I'm like, this don't make no sense. I was like, you know what? It's 5:15 or whatever. At that point, by the time we reached back upstairs after getting our game tokens or whatever, it was like 5:20-ish. Whatever, 5 minutes later, whatever. It was like 5:20. We got on the line. We stand on the line. It's mad kids. And then my friend, because she been there before, Leanne, she was like, oh, fill out the waiver. So I get off the line. Well, we all got off the line, which didn't make no sense now that I think about it. I got off the line. She got off the line. Her little brother got off the line. We filled out the waiver thing on the iPad thing, whatever they had. And then I was like, I'm going to go back on the line. In the meantime, while you and her brother, Novell, fills out their waiver. Just basically saying, oh, if you break your neck, it's on you. So I went to back on the line. So I already got an attitude because when I'm hungry, too, why is the line long again? Like, stupid. Now that I'm thinking about it, we shouldn't have never even left the line to begin with in the first place to go to the arcade. We should just stayed online and we would have had our little socks or whatever. And then when time hit again, 5:15, we could have just went straight to play. Stupid. I don't know why we was, I don't know, whatever. So we I did the waiver. I went back on the line. So I'm waiting online. She did the waiver. Her little brother did the waiver. And now they come back to meet me on the line. And honestly, I did not move. And I was like, I did not move since y'all left. Like, I'm really still here in the same spot. So I was annoyed because I was hungry. I didn't eat. Y'all know how that go. So I had an attitude. Um, I'm just weighing this up because I want it to be like water wave kind of. But yeah, so we making some progress on the line, but there's so much madness was going on the line. Some little girl playing around, dragging a baby across the line by his arms, and I was like, I can't witness nothing like this right now. I'm not in the mood. It was mad groups of people in front of us, so it wasn't like, it was like, that would kind of make it feel like the line was going faster, but it wasn't, because it was like a group that looked like it was like a daycare center, them, and then another daycare center group in front of that, and then another daycare center group in front of that. So, and it was just three of us, and I was on the line, and Leanne got tired, she sat down, her little brother got tired, they sat down, and I was the one on the line holding the spot for all of us. So I was just annoyed standing there like, oh my god, I want to go jump, because I never been, so I was excited, and I was excited to like vlog and show it or whatever. Y'all, I could not be more annoyed. We finally reached the front of the line, and as we were on the line, I forgot this part. We were on the line, and some girl came to us who works there and was like, do you guys want to get your socks for half off? So we were like, yeah, duh. So she was like, all right, well, here's the secret or whatever. Basically, she was like, put $15. She said she's gonna charge us $15 for the socks, when the socks was actually like $30, $32 or something like that, whatever. So we said, okay, cool, we'll give you the 30, and no, we'll give you the 15. And then she said to just get the socks from in the bathroom. She's gonna put the socks in the bathroom and leave the money in the bathroom where the socks are. And we was like, okay, cool, no problem. But then none of us had cash on us, so that was the next thing. And she didn't take card, so mind you, it was crazy packed too. So she was going to certain people that she saw on the line and was like, hey, let me ask them, hey, do you want to get it for half off? Mind you, she worked there. So I was so mad because that same day I was like, let me go to the bank. And I was like, I don't want to go to the bank anymore. I'm just going to use my card, whatever. And Leanne did the same thing. She was going to go get gas, and she was like, let me just stop to the bank too. And then she thought to herself, like, let me just use my card, because nobody wanted to stop. We was already running behind time because we actually planned to meet up for 2 and we met up for 3 instead. So Leanne now, we didn't have cash, so the girl was like, oh man, and there's no ATM in here. So there was no ATM where we could even go to get cash, and gave it to her. So that was like another thing. So girl, you know, I was so mad. So I was trying to get time to go by because the line is not moving. All I hear is little kids. Oh, I just wanted to have fun like them. So I was mad and I was hungry. So we finally reached the front of the line now. We finally reached the front of the line, and tell me why some girl who works there came to everybody on the line, like who was behind us. She was like, hey, you guys have to fill out a waiver fee before you get on the line. You guys have to fill out a waiver fee before you get on the line. You guys have to fill out a waiver fee. She was just telling everybody that down the line. So we was like, hey, we already did, like, da-da-da-da-da, whatever. She was like, okay, cool. So when you get to the front now, don't worry about it. I'm just getting mad thinking about it again because we wasted so much time. It was crazy how much time we wasted. Like, I don't know why we wasn't thinking smarter than we was. What we did yesterday made no sense. We went to the arcade to play games, but we could have just stayed on the line, and we would have been able to jump. Or we should at least brought cash. Like, really? Whatever. Anyways, so our turn is next or whatever. But mind you, I told you it was mad daycare groups that was there too. So they was taking mad long because it wasn't like it was like 2 kids. It was like 6 kids. And then you have to pay for all those kids and then pay for their times. And then they have to do the waiver fee. And I was just annoyed. I was like, oh my God. Like, and hungry. And I was like, oh my God, I don't want to be jumping on the trampoline and I passed out. Whatever. So, yeah. We go to the line now. It's me, Leanne's little brother, and I guess they was gonna pay together, whatever, and then I was gonna pay for myself. But you know, I stepped up to the line too because I'm like, hey, I'm next. You could just handle both of us in one session, okay? So I go up there, and the lady goes, oh, did you guys fill out the fee waiver already? So we like, yeah, we did it. You know, I'm on 10. Attitude is on 10 because, listen, we just waited mad long on line. Literally, I kid you not, we was on the line for a full hour. We got there at like, we got to the line at 5:20. Remember I told you we got to the line at 5:20. we got to the end of the line. By the time we got seen at the end of the line, it was probably like 6:15 or like 6:10 or something like that. And the lady goes, okay, so since you guys filled out the fee waiver already, just to let you know, oh, the next jump time is not until 8 o'clock. I could have died. That was like 8 o'clock. I said, how is it 8 o'clock? I'm like, 8 o'clock, a whole hour, a whole another 2 hours. So she was like, yeah, that's just the next jump time session. And I was like, okay, let's go. I'm ready. I don't want to go. I don't even want to stay here no more. So Leanne, I was trying to talk to her, ask her other questions. Like, oh, how come we just waited on the line for an hour and now the next jump time is so-and-so? Like, what can we do? And in my head, I'm like, can we go? Because I don't want to make a scene right now because I'm mad. I'm mad hungry and we waited on the line for no reason. So Leanne was just, her and Leanne is talking. Leanne just trying to get some questions out of her as to why we waited so long on the line. And mind you, they moved so slow. So it was 2 girls waiting at the cashier desk or whatever. 2 girls who was actually, you know, giving people the socks and the tickets and all that, whatever. And what had happened? Yeah, one of them came off the line. As I told you, it was groups of people. The line was crazy. And one of the work associates, she came from behind the register. And we don't know where she went. She was gone for like 20 minutes. And we was kind of mad about it because we was like, she sees mad people here. And she didn't even send nobody else to like cover or anything. She just left and disappeared. So I was mad about that because that held up the line again. Because even though it was like mad people there, whatever, don't leave because I need to jump. I was mad about that because I wanted to jump. Anyways, so we get to the end of the line. And her and Leanne is trying to talk about like why did we wait so long and now it's time for the next jump again. And Leanne was telling her like, oh well, you know, we came here earlier. They said the next jump time was 5:15, so then that's why we didn't wait. And now we back here again. And now you telling us the next jump time is not until 8. So I just grabbed my bag from off the counter because I was about to take out my money and pay her. Grabbed my bag from off the counter and I was like, can we go? Can we go? Because I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. Had a whole attitude, whatever. I didn't want to hear nothing the girl had to say because I was just annoyed, which it probably wasn't her fault that it was so crowded. But I was annoyed, okay? So then Leanne, I hear the lady say to Leanne, like, oh, when you guys come back, you can... What she said to her? She was like, when you guys come back, you can just go to play. Just grab your socks and go play. You don't have to, you know, do the waiver again. I looked at her like, what are we doing away? Please, don't talk to me about another piece of waiver because, oh, yeah, I've been hearing waiver since we got in here. I don't want to hear it again, okay? What I want to hear is, here's your socks. Y'all can go play. But no. Anyways, so we didn't get to play. So we was like, you know what? Let's just go downstairs to Buffalo Wild Wings. So we went downstairs. We played games. No, not played games. I'm thinking about Dave and Buster's. We went to Buffalo Wild Wings. We waited in there again. So that was a whole next wait. We waited mad long in Dave and Buster's. So we get to Dave and Buster's. We get to Buffalo Wild Wings. Sitting down, waiting. Leanne is pressing every person that walks by, like, did you call my name? Because I've been waiting here and I see you calling other people. So I'm like, oh, Lord Jesus, I don't need another scene in here today because I just want to eat. Like, the lady upstairs got me mad talking about wait another 2 hours. Y'all in here got us waiting like another 15 extra minutes that I did not plan to wait in here today because I thought we was, since it was, I'm stupid because it's Saturday. We should have known it was going to be busy, but whatever. But we go to Leanne pressing everybody that walks her way. Like, did you call my name? Did you call my name? Table for 3, did you call my name? No, they did not. And the lady was like, oh, your name is next. So that's all she kept saying was your name is next, your name is next. But everybody was passing us. Mind you, we was 3 people. And everyone that passed us was like 6 people, 8 people, 5 people. And we like, how long is it taking us? So the lady was like, oh, well, because you have your little brother, you know, I can't just sit you guys at the bar. Because I would have just been able to sit you guys at the bar. I didn't want to sit at the bar anyway. So I wasn't mad about that. But I was just mad we waited so long, and then I was just mad we waited so long at Buffalo Wild Wings again. So I was mad at waiting from early, and then I was mad at waiting, coming in and still having to wait. Or whatever. That was that. They finally called our name, and I jumped up. First one to jump up. Like, that's us. Let's go. Let's be seated quickly. We got our food pretty quick. We didn't wait. But, y'all, I was so mad I did not get to vlog. Because I really wanted to. Because I didn't vlog in that long. And then, not only did I did not vlog in that long, I just haven't even been to Skyzone. So I wanted to vlog Skyzone, and I wanted to vlog for the first time in, like, months. But it's whatever. Okay? It's whatever. I'm going to vlog again sometime. It's one of these days. Can't tell you when. But yeah, that was that. That was the day. It was crazy. I'm so mad though. I really was looking forward to going to Skyzone and having fun. All them little kids in there was just, I was just watching them like, oh, that's gonna be me. Yes, I'm doing that one. Oh yeah, I'm going on that. It's like, not really. Okay. Anyways, I'm done my hair. Sorry I could not vlog Skyzone. I'm so mad about it, y'all. But eventually I'll go again and I can vlog. I'm mad. But thanks for watching, guys. Like I said earlier, if you gonna keep watching my videos, then hey girl. If you're not, bye. Okay, bye. But yeah, you could like, comment, and subscribe. All right, I haven't said that in that long.